Jennifer, who assesses the 51%? Would that be like, so I make the claim, like walk me through the process. Like I say I'm stressed out because of work. Who makes the determination, the 51%, that it's coming from work, or how does that work?
We send them to a doctor. The doctor makes that determination. I always say that I'm not a doctor.
But
I can evaluate and kind of see based on my experience what I think would hit that threshold. But that also involves a conversation about outside factors, right? So you're telling me you're stressed from work, but you have to be aware that when you make a psych claim, that opens the door to the rest of your life, because the defendant, the carrier, the insurance company, they're going to have the right to poke and prod into other parts of your life to see if that's the more contributing factor, right?
that's good to know, because I think that would definitely give some people pause if they're making a fake claim, because do they really want to talk about their pending divorce or whatever's going on in their relationship? Because that kind of makes sense now. So
right, it brings up personal relationships, financial issues, childhood issues, all of it.
So
go ahead.
Really, the employer should be aware, but also if there's any sudden changes, something like you mentioned, where being held up, or a bank teller being held up, or a traumatic experience where maybe it's like a small restaurant and then a client comes in and is threatening, something like that could trigger something like that.
Right. Where for sure it's, they would be entitled to permanent disability settlement on a psych basis. That's the difference.